Email marketing solutions to help your business grow. How long has it been since you last checked your email? If you're similar to many people, you most likely check your email over 2 times daily. When you're running a business, you can use email as a surefire way to contact your target market. Here are just a few of the best tips for email marketing. An excellent tip for email marketing is to follow up with some type of update on your products or services that you are providing. For example, you could add a Buy Now feature onto your email. The ending of your email could inform your readers to keep in mind the upsell as well. To get people to opt in and give permission for you to send email marketing messages to them, offer an incentive. Offer a discount or a coupon on one of your products or services. Include a white paper or newsletter about your niche or market. Give your prospect something in return for access to their inbox. Keep track of the subject lines on emails that get opened and those that do not. Split the mailing list in half. Use a different subject line for each half of the list, while keeping the rest of the email the same. You will be able to see which subject lines encourage people to open your emails and which ones you should avoid. When emailing clients, try following up with a free warranty on your products or services. You could insert an order on the email that tells them to get this warranty immediately. The ending PS could tell them to act now and not to miss this incredible opportunity to try out something they may love. To stay in touch with your customers or drum up new business, email marketing is one of the best ways to go. Put the tips from this video into action for your marketing needs, and see results in no time at all. Advertising your business can be easy when you make use of the strength of email communications to reach out. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.